I had a semi-rare item arrive today. It's a nice pocket watch made by the U.S. Watch Company. The U.S. Watch Company operated from about 1885 to about 1901. It was located in Waltham, Massachusetts. These are becoming increasingly a highly sought-after item. Beautiful case on this watch. Bezel with plastic crystal. It has a lot of dirt specks on the inside. Nice gold fancy hands. They don't match the seconds hand. These fancy hands are fragile. Our hand is nice and intact. The green corrosion on the minute hand is where the gold gilt is damaged. It's the underlying brass that is oxidizing. Care needs to be taken if they are to be cleaned. Scratches through the gold gilt on the center mount. The second hand is a standard blue steel hand. Nice 20-year gold-filled case and a large fingerprint on the polished gold. Outside of dust cover has a fingerprint smudge. Beautiful 15 jewel movement. Balance wheel has movement, a little sluggish looking. I see the movement is a little loose in the case. Remove the dial screws. Dial is in fair condition. It has microscopic pits, peculiar to enamel dials. Hairline crack in the porcelain between the 7 and 8. And a hairline crack at about 9:30 in the center sink. This hairline crack here, it's a stress crack caused by the dial foot on the reverse side. It was misaligned to the movement mounting hole. The crack is right in line with the dial foot mount. Backside of dial is the usual shape. All the dial feet have flat spots where they have been worked on. This dial washer has seen better days. Time to replace it. Some green corrosion here and there. Here's a chunk of dried grease. Balance wheel jewel. These banking pin screws have been boogered up. Hour wheel, minute wheel, loosen the hairspring, balance cock, balance wheel. Pivots look good. Just a little dirty. This balance jewel has several cracks in it. The clicks on these are in an unusual location. Here's the click. You can see it move when the movement is wound. A little pressure on the click, and the mainspring can be let down. Now time to disassemble the rest of the movement. Case screws, mainspring barrel, center wheel, third wheel, fourth wheel, escape wheel, pallet fork, setting and winding wheels, balance jewels, now I can see it's the cap jewel that is cracked. It has 3 intersecting cracks in it, but it should be replaced. Take a look at the mainspring. It's one of the old blued ones. It's seen better days, and it should be replaced if it's expected to keep reasonable time. Well, I'll get with the owner and see how he wants to move forward on this movement.